Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Swift car's Bluetooth. First, ensure your car's ignition is on and it's safely stationary. Next, grab your phone and confirm its Bluetooth is enabled and discoverable. Finally, locate the phone or Bluetooth button on your car's audio system. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and successful pairing process, setting the stage for connecting your device effortlessly. Now, let's initiate the pairing. Press and hold the phone or Bluetooth button on your car's stereo for a few seconds until you see Pairing or Add Device on the display. Simultaneously, on your phone, navigate to its Bluetooth settings and begin searching for available devices. This action allows your car to broadcast its presence, making it discoverable to your mobile phone, ready for the next step. With both devices in pairing mode, select your car's Bluetooth name, often Suzuki Swift or car audio, from your phone's list. If prompted, enter the default passkey, which is commonly 0000 or 1234. Confirm the connection on both your phone and the car's display. A successful pairing will usually show a confirmation message, indicating your phone is now connected and ready for use. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. Try restarting both your phone and the car's audio system. Sometimes, deleting old, unused Bluetooth profiles from your car's memory can resolve connectivity problems, as many systems have a limit of 5 to 7 stored devices. For specific model instructions, always consult your car's owner's manual. These simple steps often help establish a stable and reliable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.